figure out what I'm going to wear for this event because I can't, theoretically, I can't wear this to Miss Bigo. Hello. Ooh. Ooh. We can't wear this to the Miss Bigo event. They would be like, Sydney, you've lost it. Yeah. Where's my lobotomy? Where's my lobotomy? That's how I feel. Okay, look that way. Ooh, that's actually pretty. Oh yeah, look at the, here, I'm still technically on the screen, y'all. I'm still technically on the screen. Can you see me? No, okay. I'm still here. Mr. Big Motion. Mr. Big Motion's trying to win in my live again. Hi, AR. He's trying to win in my live again. Let's go. I need to do my nail again. I can't believe that broke. I'm just going to take these off and I'm going to redo my nails, guys. The red was a fun idea until it wasn't. The red's a fun idea until, no. I also don't think I like the builder that I used. I don't like the builder I used. So we're gonna figure that out. I also, do you guys like me doing my makeup in here? Hi, Mr. Big Motion. Or do you miss seeing the skateboards? I need like 80 more K. 80 more K to tier. I know we can do it. Hi, kitty. I know we can do it. It makes me want to change myself. What does? Oh, like changing my room up? It makes you want to change your stuff up. I get that. Hi, Popular. I want to be that encouragement to people. You see me throwing stuff out. You think there's stuff in your life that you want to throw out. Get to throwing it out. I would love to be that encouragement in people's lives. I would love to influence that. Oh my gosh. Dano, please have a chicken tender sub for me. Please have a chicken tender sub. Take the extra bread out of the sub. Get mayo, mustard, lettuce, pickles, and the banana peppers. Get white cheddar cheese. And I need you to overnight it. I need you to overnight me this sandwich. Maybe I'll have to make those one day for dinner. So, should I go make lunch? I was supposed to make breakfast for my grandma and I this morning, and then I didn't. And I took out apple chicken sausages. They're just chicken. And I was supposed to make those with eggs and cheese. Hi, Giuseppe. No, I shouldn't. I shouldn't do all of that before I have my event. Hi, Samurai King. Should I? No, that's too much work. It's gonna put me under stress. It's gonna put me under stress that I don't need. Hi, Miss Moonbeam. That's gonna put me under stress I don't need. Okay. We're not doing it. We're not gonna do it. I will go find something though to wear. God, I love how this room's looking. It just makes me so happy. It's like a big playroom. So thrilled. So thrilled. So thrilled. Okay. Why is my music not going on? Oh, it's because I was listening to meditation music while I was asleep last night. If anybody cares, this is what I listen to at night while I sleep. If anybody wants to know, this is it. Nice calming. All of my Oakley glasses. My uncle was like, Sydney, keep the Oakley boxes. Oakley's scratch so easily. Put those back in the boxes. I said, but I want to put them on display. I like having my shit on display. Plus, these are like bomb. Look at these. I look like I'm going, like, motorcycling on Mars. This is the vibes I want to give. Like, I am going on an ATV on Mars. And I've got like a really cool backpack full of like air that I'm able to huff. You know? Those are my, like that. These ones, what are the vibes for these ones? What do these give? Vibes for these ones. What are the vibes? I don't know exactly what my profession is with this. Maybe I'm like, I don't know. Money blessings. I love that. Is that what these glasses are giving? Money blessings. I'm here for that. I'm here for that. Guys, please make sure that you are using all of your free votes. Down here, you get 10 free votes. I feel like I look like I belong at a frat house. Like I am a frat president's girlfriend, soon to be fiance. And I've been at one too many frat parties. I'm hung the fuck over. I'm almost graduated and I just can't stand the young fraternity boys anymore. Get away from me. That's what these glasses are giving. Jersey Shore realness. I look like I am the most badass fraternity wife ever with those. That's how that goes. These ones. It's Malibu. Malibu. What do you know? What do you know about the Judas? What do you know about that? Here we go. What do these ones give? These ones are more, I think, just like for protection. These are like, I'm at the club. You can still see what I look at. What are these ones for, actually? Do we know? Do we know? I'm not sure. They're fucking cute, though. Being a dentist. Well then. Grocery shopping. Then there's these ones. I do have a couple more pairs and I just don't know where they are. I like these ones. These are my fun ones. I really like these. This is gonna make me fall asleep. Sounds of F1. Let's play that. What's a sound of F1? Sounds of F1. I look like, what does this look like? I look like I belong on the back of a motorcycle. Like a sports one, like a Ducati though. You know what I mean? Hold on. I've never worn these out. If I'm being so for real with you, never worn these out in my life. I never worn these out. I brought them to Korea. Never worn. Never wore them. This one? Which one's these ones? Oh. I have the other ones. Hi, Frank. These are Gentle Monster. And I really love this brand. I got these in Korea. Obsessed. Obsessed. And I don't even really wear sunglasses like that because they always fall off my nose. I can never find ones that fit me properly. But these ones were just too stellar to like leave behind in Korea. These are actually sold out on the website. Hi, Cupcake. These are sold out on the website. Ooh. How do I sign up to be one of the first people to live on Mars? I think I'm like ready. I'm ready. I'm ready to board that shuttle. Venus. Venus? God, look at the back of them. Like, look at... Stab somebody. Oh, shit. I'm so sorry. That was... Gotta hit up Elon. What, do I have to become a baby mama? The flat silver lens. These ones? Yeah. Do I have to become a baby mama of Elon? That's what it sounds like. That's what it sounds like. He does pay his baby mamas good money, though. He does pay them good money. Grimes gets like millions a month. I do, Dilly. Yeah, Grimes gets millions a month. These are the first gen. Am I?